folks, welcome to Yardy Belly's Kitchen. Today we're doing a quick stir fry with some pasta, some vegetables, a one pot meal, and already in progress we have some chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs that we are just grilling up in our George Foreman grill, and we season this with a little bit of jerk seasoning, a little bit of turmeric, and just regular seasoning, and we're jerking this, and then we're gonna add it to our vegetables. Okay, so our ingredients are as follows: maybe half of an onion, a couple cloves of garlic, some tomatoes, and some sweet peppers. Anything else in that?
That's right, and green pepper.
And green pepper, sweet pepper, green pepper. We have some corn, and that's canned corn, maybe half a can. We have broccoli, carrots, and celery here. And over here we have some tricolor rotini pasta. And all of this is going into our pasta with vegetable. I don't know what I call it, but hey, it's a quick one pot meal, as I said before. All right. So we're gonna start first and foremost by adding. I have maybe 2 tablespoons of oil here, and I'm using olive oil, sunflower oil mix, and we're gonna add our vegetables to it. Herb. What do you call it? Vegetable. And we're just very quickly stir frying these vegetables in the oil. If we really and truly want this meal to be so healthy that you taste the crunch of everything. Everything gotta be crunchy. All right. So before the onions start to go limp, to show you how more on the food here should be bright and springy, right? Right, see? You want the onion them to be wilty?
No, I want it bright.
Alright. So next thing we're gonna add is our broccoli and our celery and stuff.
Really?
Now the reason why I'm stirring this so much is because I don't want it to start settling down and starting to release too much of the water. Because if it starts to release the liquid in it, it's gonna start to steam, so to speak, and that's not what you want. You want it nice and, as I said, springy. You want it once the heat becomes the right temperature. You will see the color start to take on a neon green color, and that's how you want it. Trust me. See? Looks sweet already. Look like it's ready to go already. Alright, now I'm going to add my sweet corn.
Red, green, and gold.
And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, if you're on a budget like myself and the wifey, this is a nice dinner. Right? Just utilize what you have in the house and stop looking around for what you don't have.
Broccoli, $1. Carrot, $1. Corn, 50 cents.
Putting everything together, priceless. And then you're gonna add your rotini. Alright?
Well, rotini is a little bit.
Rotini nice, man. Rotini good. What am I do? That should show it me?
No.
This is what you want to achieve, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, the rotini was previously boiled, till it reach al dente,
Which is firm yet tender.
firm yet tender. And so now you're just adding your rotini to your pot.
I think that's the first thing you ever taught me when I knew you.
Wow.
The meaning of al dente.
I'm using just a little bit of salt, not a lot, because I'm gonna add stuff that is salty. I'm using black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and black pepper is good for you. The freshly ground one. Let me turn down the stove just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add some stir-fry sauce, and I use the Kikkoman brand. Yeah, anything stir-fry.
Kikkoman.
See, I can big up Kikkoman and them send 2 buckle of products to me, you know. Big up Kikkoman. All right, and you just add this in. See there, folks? I saw the thing I said. It is starting to look good already. All right, and I'm gonna also add a little teriyaki sauce. Cause me like my stuff saucy, means a saucy type of guy. And this is pineapple teriyaki sauce. And as I said, if you're adding these, you don't use a lot of salt, trust me. How it look now, see?
Very delish. Looks great.
Turn up my heat a little bit. All right, so my chicken is has been grilled, and I'm just cutting it up into slivers to add it to my vegetables. Taking it off the grill and just cutting it up into slivers. And trust me, if you are health conscious, you need a grill such as the George Foreman. You know, if you don't want a big grill like that, you can use the George Foreman grill. You know, and you get your little meat and do your little thing. So I'm cutting this up, and I will add this to my ingredients. My, what do you call it? My stir fry. So our dish is basically done, and I'm just now gonna add my chicken, my grilled chicken, and pretty much that's it. You know, you just add your chicken. And you incorporate it in. How it looks, see?
Excellent, over magnificent. It look good, man. Looks very good.
And when she's done, she plate it. So ladies and gentlemen, that's a quick dish. You can try it in your neck of the woods. You know, I encourage you to eat healthier. And if this is not healthy, then nothing healthy. I mean, if you wanted to go straight healthy, you can get rid of the pasta, because the pasta is a little bit of carbs. But hey, a little pasta never hurt nobody. You are the belly in a foreign. Stay tuned.